Hey everyone, it's me here, and we have a package that I got in the mail today from eBay. So let's see what it is. So I'm gonna cut it, so I'll have to put the camera down. So I'll be right back. All right, let's see what it is. It's a bit hard to do this though. But he's still one of these stupid bubble wrap kinds, by the way. Here it is. Got a real pain to do so. But I'm slowly working it. Alright, let's see what's in this envelope, I think. So I'm going to put the camera down again, so I'll be right back. It's a bit painful, but a little hard to do so. Because it's really not too easy to do it. It's a FireNet X1235. 1235E. So I'm gonna get it out of this wrap. So I'm gonna put the camera down one more time. Hopefully one more time. I can't do this one-handed. Alright, here it is. It's a FireNet X1235. So you can read the front of it. So you can pause right here. So you can read the front of it. So you can pause right here. It was only available in Stealing White. It had a 5-year limited warranty as well. And check it out. It has the diamond. Let's see what it actually is. It looks like it has the diamond grill. Let's open it. I'm gonna put the camera down just one more time to see if I can get this thing out. Stinking thing out. Okay, this doesn't have the diamond grill. This is actually a second gen. It's not even a button. This is the first time I have one of these. It's one of these cool little first gen quick connectors. Alright, here's the back. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the battery provisions, which is kind of sad. But that would be really cool. Look at this. There's the bracket. It's actually a bit discolored, which is cool. It also has that classic i1 2060 style quick connector. Alright. There's no hush button. It just looks like it has one. See that button? It's fake. You can't get that off without wire strippers. I forgot. I didn't know that. It doesn't have the diamond grill, so I was actually wrong the whole time. Get this thing in. These are a real pain to get in. These quick connectors. You have to squeeze it. These first gen quick connectors are really hard to get on, but there you go. But here you go. Kidde 1235. This was actually made 22 years ago. It's actually in the lifesaver era. It's a real pain to get this quick connector off as well. So I put the camera down. see what else is in the bag. The manual. Please see manual. This doesn't need batteries, so you can just put it on the bracket without even putting them in batteries. Here's the manual. And by the way, this was made in 1999, September 13th. That's about 22 years ago, 22 years ago. You may think that's a hush button as well, but it's not. It's fake. Button feels kind of nice. This is not the one with the diamond grill, unfortunately, but that's kind of, but that's a cool benefit because, and unfortunately, it doesn't have that battery provision. This is actually a second or third gen. But anyways, this is only 120 volts. So it looks a little bit like a 1275. So you can confuse your fans. This is a 1275, but it isn't. I gotta get it on the bracket, so I'll have to put the camera down again. Not really good at putting these Kidde alarms on the bracket. It's just a bit of a pain. Actually, while I'm at it, this has the stickers. These weird piece of tape sticker things. I don't know what these are. But you can peel these out. Yeah. It's discolored, so it has some, that's why you see some white. I'm going to peel these stickers, which I can do one-handed. I know this video is getting long, so. There we go, finally. The bracket's basically the same as a P12040. But when I get the adapter, when I get something to power this up, I'll be able to test it. It's really hard to put it on, but there we go. Here it is. Alright, this video is getting really long, so hopefully you like this video. Goodbye.